If you throw a brick, a firebomb, or point a gun at one of our deputies, we will be notifying your family where to collect your remains at, because we will kill you graveyard dead. We're not going to play.
Don't go to a protest to throw rocks at officers, insult them, get up all in their face. Officers in the state of Florida have the right to use deadly force to protect themselves. This is Florida, not LA.
If you resist lawful orders, you're going to jail. Let me be very clear about that.
If you're in handcuffs, there is no point of trying to reason with the officer. You're going to jail. Your time to fight your arrest is going to be in a courtroom in front of a judge. Go peacefully. Don't add more charges.
If you spit on us, you're going to the hospital and in jail. If you hit one of us, you're going to the hospital and jail, and most likely get bitten by one of our big, beautiful dogs that we have here.
Any action that you take against a police officer, whether it's hitting them, spitting on them, anything like that, is considered battery on law enforcement. Now, the officers obviously have to show restraint. So what he means by if you spit on me, you're going to a hospital is open for interpretation. The officers can use reasonable force to subdue you and take you to jail and get charges for that.
If you try to mob rule a car in Brevard County, gathering around it, refusing to let the driver leave, in our county, you're most likely going to get run over and dragged across the street.
If anyone who's in a vehicle actually feels threatened by you or the mob, or feels that something might be happening while you're blocking that roadway, or they think you're approaching your vehicle, there is some case law that they may have the right to run you over or try to get out of there.
If you throw a brick, a firebomb, or point a gun at one of our deputies, we will be notifying your family where to collect your remains at, because we will kill you graveyard dead. We're not going to play.
So a lot of people ask me, what's the line? What do you have to do for an officer to be able to use lethal force? The truth is that it's up to that officer and in the circumstances at that moment. So if you throw a rock at a moving vehicle, that can be considered deadly force.
We will kill you graveyard dead.
Don't go to a protest to throw rocks at officers, insult them, get up all in their face. Officers in the state of Florida have the right to use deadly force to protect themselves. This is Florida, not LA. I understand that when some of you are watching these videos, you're angry, you're frustrated. I get it. The best protest that you can give this country is to take advantage of the legal process. Get your papers and get your status. If you found this helpful, make sure you share this with your family, your friends, or anyone who you think may be attending these protests or may need the help of an attorney to legalize their status. Since 1989, the attorneys at Brevard Law have been helping people with all of their needs, including immigration, false arrest, and deportation.